Hello everyone. So as a part of Cadet Outreach 2026, we are launching a special interview series featuring the distinguished leaders from the maritime industry and the ocean-based sectors. So through this interview series, we aim to explore the leadership perspectives and the industry expectations and the future direction of the marine engineering education. So, as a beginning, today we pleased to speak with our Vice Chancellor, Professor Nalin Rathnayake, whose leadership plays a key role in our university. First of all, I like to thank you, sir, for your valuable time for this interview. And to begin, we would like our audience to better understand your professional background and could you please introduce yourself and briefly describe your professional background, sir?
Yeah, I'm actually currently being the Vice Chancellor. I actually worked at Moroto University as a senior professor. It's from 2005. My main field area is marine geology. It means I work in the mineral sector related to offshore, and also I am specialized in hydrodynamics and the sediment dynamics. It means, for example, what happens to sediment when it comes to sediment mineral deposit formation. It happens because of the hydrodynamics and the sediment movement. Even suppose about Pulmudi mineral deposit, it was a resultant of the dynamics there in the coastal area. So I specialize in that area. So I have extensively published research, and I think one of the leader in the coastal hydrodynamics. So these are generally those are the area that I expertise.
Yes, so you are widely recognized as specialist in geology, that a field closely connected to the ocean and earth sciences. So, is that the thing you inspired to become the role of vice chancellor of our university? Anything else that inspired you to become the vice chancellor of our university, sir?
I joined Moratuwa University, I was supposed to, that was actually mining engineering department. So my role is there is to introduce offshore mining into our curriculum at that time. So I started sort of a specialized area, including 5 or 6 subjects. In the offshore mining, and it needs fundamentals like hydrodynamics, waves, and all that it's necessary. So I created that structure there, and it contained offshore practical part. Offshore practice. So I needed a vessel. So I used Ocean University vessel for a long time. I think from 2006 to about 2010 or 15. Around that, I used that vessel continuously. So I had a relationship with the Ocean University, and I had touch also. When there's an opportunity, so that I thought that I can serve the industry, because with time from since 2005, I got the relationship, connection, as well as experience, and I thought that I can serve the university. So I got the opportunity to join the Ocean University in 2019, and I put the foundation to the Ocean University, especially structurally, as well as I created a lot of acts, rules and regulations related to Ocean University to make the foundation. And then this time also I got the opportunity, and I thought I should come once again and lead the university to serve the maritime sector in whole.
Yes, thank you. So, sir, there are a lot of higher education institutes established in Sri Lanka now. It may be a private university or a state university. So, out of them, the Ocean University plays a unique mandate when compared to the other universities. That is, there are very specialized degree programs established under our university. So, how do you view the role of Ocean University when compared to the national responsibility in terms as a university?
Now, in 2019, I understood that in Asia, there is a ocean university concept. For example, there are universities, Korea Maritime Ocean University, and then Vietnam Maritime Ocean University, because I also got an opportunity to go around these countries. And then there are many ocean universities, Japan, China, and other countries in Asia especially. So they develop this ocean university in a integrated way. So one very good example is Korea Maritime Ocean University. Their shipping sector is very successful. I mean, Korea's development is entirely depend on Samsung electronics and all that. No,
Yes.
it's not the television or telephone, but ships. The technology that they provide from those Samsung and other companies into the shipping industry are leading in the shipping industry. So once I went there, I realized that the Korea Maritime Ocean University is the leading organization for the development of the Korea whole entire. So we can also do the same thing here in Sri Lanka if we can capture all the I mean advanced technologies that a marine engineer or any other sector required, then I'm sure that we can become the leader. And not only that, we have a large area of ocean, about 7 times right now, and we can also expand it further many times. So large resource of ocean resources, many biological, inorganic, mineral, everything is there. Even petroleum is there. A lot of opportunities, and then we are situated in a critical path of ship navigation. So I think we have big opportunity to become a leading university in Sri Lanka. Shouldn't be any other university, ocean university. Once we become the leading university in Sri Lanka, then I'm sure that Sri Lanka is also leading in a way that can become one of the developed country.
Thank you, sir, for your explanation, sir. So there are many graduates that have engaged in the industry. Thousands of graduates engage in the industry now. So the graduates play a critical role in supporting the maritime operations and the economic growth. So how do you view the role of our graduates as the how do you view the role of our graduates of Ocean University in contributing the blue economy of Sri Lanka?
Now, our graduates are supposed to lead the blue economy sector in Sri Lanka.
Sure, sir.
Without a doubt. Marine engineers, maritime transport and logisticians,
Coastal side,
coastal science and
aquaculture,
oceanographers
yes.
has to lead this. For example, I will say rather than marine engineer, oceanographic course that we are conducting is a very important course. It contains hydrodynamics because it's related to my field also. Hydrodynamics, numerical modeling, physical modeling, everything. They are very competent, and we have very good set of teachers also. Very competent, and it is related. It is related to industry, coastal engineering, and other NARA, National Aquatic Resources Engineering, all the important foundation, fundamental subjects related to marine engineering and the other sector, whole sector, oceanography is related. And we have a good competent team, and I'm sure, if we can utilize them properly for the national development, we can do a big role. On the other hand, when it comes to marine engineering, marine engineers should represent technical expertise, technical competency, should represent.
Yes.
And also they should be able to globally employable. Without a doubt, they should be globally employable. And then they should not be limited only ship operation, but they have to be related also to, they should work in the port services, marine engineering, offshore sector, and also energy efficiency related sectors, and
Service engineering sector.
service engineering sectors. All that has to be involved, and for that you need to have a engineering foundation. That I think we are, and also practical knowledge.
Yes.
That we are, up to a certain extent, we are providing. Sure. We have a sound curriculum and a good staff, and we also get support from not only from our staff, but also from the industry as well as from other leading universities. We get the foundation. We are putting the foundation right. So I think we have that ability at the Ocean University.
Yes. So, sir, surely universities today must respond the global economic changes and geopolitical factors and the evolving industry needs. So, considering university vision, so what are your plans and approaches to addressing those issues? I mean, the upcoming global economic changes and the evolving industry needs and other things.
Yeah, our graduate has to be internationally employable, and also they have to be future ready and also industrially relevant. For that, we have to have the for example, marine engineering. We need to be relevant to the industry. We need to relevant for that. Our education has to be modernized and changed. We are also trying to do that up to certain extent. For example, that has to be more related to advanced practical knowledge, advanced engineering practical knowledge, and also it has to be simulation based. Still, we are not up to that level, but we are trying to plan it into that sector, and also research oriented. And also, this research orientation has to be related to Sri Lankan industry. So for example, once it comes into marine engineering, it has to be related to marine engineering. Our fisheries sector has vessels, and they have issues, and those research has to be addressed those, and also our port sector, all that industry. So that is my plan, and that's my goal. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So the BSc Marine Engineering is a one of special degree program offered by our university, and it surely impact the blue economy of Sri Lanka. And the how do you see the role of marine engineering cadets in the Ocean University, supporting their blue economy concept and other industrial needs?
Now, marine engineers should lead the maritime industry. Marine engineers of our university should lead the maritime industry without a doubt. And for that, they have to be globally employable and also industry ready, and they have to be related to the modern technology. They have to be future ready. So that's
Yes.
what we are thinking.
Yes, sir. So the Cadet Outreach Conference is the one of the best approaches we gained last year as a department. So this conference is designed to strengthen the engagement between the industry and the cadets. So Cadet Outreach 2026 is scheduled for upcoming weeks, and even in the larger scale than the last year. So what is your opinion, sir, about this conference?
Yeah, I heard the success story, and also I'm keen to carry out this year as well. It creates a platform for our cadets as well as alumni as well as industry, and come together and build something. Okay, in industry point of view, they will get an opportunity for our for them to know that how our graduates quality, their education level, their professionalism, all that.
Yes.
And on the other hand, you would get an opportunity. I mean, our graduates or cadets would get an opportunity if to understand about industry, understand about what kind of opportunities are there, and also get training opportunities, and also job
Job
opportunities.
opportunities.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Finally, we would like to conclude with a message to our cadets who are preparing for the enter to the maritime careers. And what message would you like to deliver the marine engineering cadets as they prepare for the future careers?
Yeah, when it comes to engineers, you are supposed to be an engineer. You have to be technically sound without a doubt.
Yes,
That
sir.
is has to be foundation. You have to be, computer software based, and you need to master those skills without a doubt. That is fundamental. For that, you need to read. Think about how many pages that you all are going to read per day. Okay, at least you are supposed to read 25 pages per day. At least start from 5 pages relevant to to your subject always. Now that you all have decided to work on this industry, if you want to master in this industry, whatever, whether it's my industry, so you have to read that, and take any other opportunities to get practical competency. Whenever you have an opportunities, go into the industry, go into industry, go to your friends and do the practical properly and master the technical knowledge. Your marine engineering is difficult area because it represents many areas. You need knowledge in mechanical engineering, material engineering, electrical engineering, electronic engineering, not only that but also civil engineering. So it's a vast area. So take any opportunity. Wherever there is an engineering project going on, go and observe and try to involve, and also get the hands-on skill. Hands-on skill is key. And I am planning to, support you in this industry. We have a good, up to certain extent, there's marine engineering lab. They are trying to do whatever possible to get the hands-on skill. Without that, you will not be able to successful. And then with your skill, not only skill but also discipline is important. Marine engineers are symbolize discipline. Very recently, I went to a convocation of another academy institute. They are producing officer cadets. They are well disciplined, very well behaved, and they also have the industrial placement where they can go and take the onboard training. And ours has to also be very well disciplined. But I know that we are far better than them. We are far better than them. Only thing far better than means cultured, learning. Our curriculum is strong. We are getting the education not only from few of our staff members, from many other staff members. So that we are very strong. Because of that, we have the background. But this is an opportunity. The outreach program is an opportunity for you to show them that this is we are better than anybody, and we are the leading, and we should be, because we are the oldest degree program related to marine engineering, without a doubt. And now that Ruhuna University has come, and there are some other private organizations, but far more than we are better, and we are mandated for this, for the maritime education. Be good leaders, represent the country, and be a blessing to Ocean University.
So that was a very inspiring, sir. Thank you, sir. So with this, we conclude the first episode of our interview series on the Cadet Outreach 2026. Again, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. We look forward to meet you again and continuing these conversations with professionals in the industry. So thank you for joining us, and we invite the audience to stay connected with us.